Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to fix your Bluetooth pairing issues on your HP Roar BT speaker. So as for 2025, the speaker is somehow old, so you may have some pairing issues with the newer phones. So to fix these issues, at first you have to enter settings. And now, as you can see, I am paired with this speaker, but if you are not and you have some connecting problems, you have to enter connected devices and here scroll down to connect preferences. This is on your Android phone. On your iPhone, just enter Bluetooth settings. Here go to Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth for a moment. Now turn off your speaker using the power button. You just have to hold your finger on the power button and wait 10 to 20 seconds. After this time, check if you can connect. If you can connect, that's great. Now you fix your problem. If you can't, you have to do a hard reset and forget your device if you have your device paired. And after doing a hard reset, you should have your problem fixed. But if you don't, you have to contact the device support. But I guess they won't answer it because this speaker is 11 years old, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.